This is the 2023 Cherokee Wolfpack 365Pack16 toy hauler. This unit has a dry weight of 12,764 pounds. Your GVWR on this unit is 16,888 pounds, giving you a cargo capacity of 4,124 pounds. Hitch weight on this unit is 2,888 pounds. This unit is 45 feet long and 13 feet 5 inches high. Your fresh water on this unit is 96 gallons, black water 76 gallons, gray water 76 gallons, and your awning size on this unit is 15 feet. Hi guys, Jevon with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to go through the Cherokee Wolfpack toy hauler. This is the 365Pack16. So let's get to it. Front here, you'll see storage up front. That is going to be pass-through storage, and you'll have access to that on both sides as well, which you can see here with this compartment. Tie downs on the inside, so you want to make sure your cargo's secure, not sliding around when you're traveling. They make that very easy and nice for you. Get your solid steps here for your entry. Really makes that nice. Nice little handle, you know, getting in and out. Nice size double awning on this unit. Gives you your outside kitchen under the awning, give you that extra rain protection so you can still enjoy camping even if unfortunately you're getting some rain. Nice you know, small fridge on the outside. Ice maker, you know, for those adult or kid beverages you want to keep cold. And then a nice little sink as well as storage drawer as well. This unit does give you a double entry. This entry is going to be into the garage area of the unit, which we'll be looking at here soon. This here is going to be a TV mount. What you can do is the TV on the inside will have the same mount, so you can simply slide it off of the mount in there, bring it out, slide it out here, have a nice little outside entertainment center. Does give you a nice little leash here, you know, for your animals, let them be able to run free and still have some freedom with that. On the outside, you'll see this is the exterior deck. We'll also take a look at this from the inside, but really gives you a nice outside space when you're at camp. You know, if you're on a muddy site or something and you still want to enjoy the outside, this really gives you a nice option for that. So let's go back down here and we'll go inside and check out the inside of this unit. All right guys, so we're on the inside of the Wolfpack here. Right here is the dinette, makes it really nice, gives you a bench over here, put a couple chairs on the other side. Nice little space there that they've been able to utilize for you. Nice things on the Cherokees is their zebra blinds. You can go, you know, full blackout, let in a little bit of light, a bunch of light, all the way up. They really make it nice to adjust how much light you want in and out. You know, if you're there on a really sunny day and want to block some of the light, really do love those zebra lines. Opposite of the dinette, you're going to have a nice little couch here with cup holders on either end. It's going to give you, you know, heat, massage. And then you've also got some accent lighting that they put on the couch for you. Makes it very nice. Beside the couch gives you your pantry. Nice amount of storage in here for food. Gives you a couple of shelves, some drawers, but that is a nice size storage space for your food. Plenty of provisions for a nice long camping trip. Nice residential refrigerator, freezer. This unit is going to give you plenty of cold storage for your trips, and again, your freezer down below. The kitchen area for you is going to give you a nice size kitchen sink, nice deep and wide, plenty of space there. 3-burner stove gives you your oven, and then you do have a microwave as well. And then again, some more storage for dishes. This would be a nice you know, area for spices and whatnot. and one last storage down here as well. So let's go check out the bedroom and bathroom and see what they've got for you. All right, so here we are in the bathroom. Gives you a nice area here for the sink. Plenty of space here as well for your toilet. Gives you a nice little medicine cabinet storage space as well. And then, you know, a nice little corner shower here with a skylight. If you're a little bit taller than like myself, sometimes that little extra headroom is nice. They do give that to you, but plenty of space in that corner shower. I tell you what, if you guys want to go on into the bathroom that way, I'll join you this way through the other door right into the bedroom, which really makes it nice, you know, at night to just be able to go straight into the bathroom. So this unit gives you storage on both sides. You've got your 110 outlet, and then you've got a nice little wardrobe as well. Gives you a couple of drawers, some hanging space, and then a nice little counter space there for whatever you might want to use that for. Nice storage as well above the bed. So let's go check out the garage and see what is in there. All right, guys, we're going to head into the garage area now. As we do, you'll see a nice loft space here above. A nice size area there, either for a sleeping space, or you can also use it for storage if you know, it's just the two of you and you don't need a bunk. Great amount of storage for you up there as well. So we'll go in here and take a look. This unit does give you a nice little half bath. These doors do collapse for you as well. So as you're traveling, you need a little extra space for your toys that you want to haul with you. These doors will fold and give you that extra space as well. This unit does come prepped for a washer and dryer as well. And you can see here the amount of space you have in that loft bunk we just showed you, slash storage. Goes the full width of the unit. So again, a really nice spot for you. The second exterior entry door here does have the foldable steps. Cherokee gives you solid steps if you want to change those out when you're at your campsite to make it a little bit sturdier. Makes it really nice for you as well. You can see you've got the bench seats here and then another bunk above it. So this unit really does give you quite a bit of sleeping space if you've got a large group. So this unit gives you the sliding, what they call 3-season door. Gives you a nice little screen as well. That way you can kind of close it off, still get a nice breeze going through. Makes it very nice. And then as we saw on the outside, we are here on you know, the rear deck, party deck, whatever you want to use it for. But it really does make it nice. You know, if you're backed up to a lake or something, you can put this out, have a great view of the lake. Again, I love these rear decks. Very versatile, can do several different things for them. If you've got questions on this unit or any other unit, please feel free to give us a call. We love answering those questions for you. You can reach us at 877-877-4494. I'm at extension 1000. Love to go over this unit with you. You guys have a great day.